So last summer I went out into the desert doing some rock hounding, which I made a few videos of, but one place I had forgot to mention was a place called Topaz Mountain. So from the depths of my folder of videos, here it is. All right, here we are at Topaz Mountain, and we were trying to find topaz. We didn't find any, but this whole place is all rhyolite, and topaz is supposed to be found amongst rhyolite, I believe within its matrix. We have found a lot of this. I mean, this stone's everywhere, and you can see all kinds of crystals on the outside. I don't know if that's just really small topaz crystals or a different kind of crystal, but I think that they would make really great spheres, and so I'm going to bring them home and see how they look. I don't know if rhyolite will polish to a glossy finish, but I do know that these crystals that are in it look really nice. So if any of you are watching this are familiar with this rhyolite and Topaz Mountain, let me know if these crystals are just really small topaz crystals or if they're a different kind of crystal. But otherwise, yeah, I hope that they turn out and we can make some nice spheres. So, all right, let's go take a look and see how they cut. All right, here we have a chunk of that rhyolite. I'm going to cut, I'm going to try and cut all of them. So if anything happens with this stone, then at least we'll have other options to make a video out of. So I've never cut rhyolite before, so let's give it a try and hopefully it polishes well. Let's find out. All right, now we are at the grinding machine. We have the stone ready to go. I'll need both hands to put it in. So let's get to it. All right, we got it in there. Let's get some water going. Something about like that. Come to our buttons and this piece of Rhyolite is finished grinding on the machine, and it's turned out great. Well, it turned out good, not great. The stone is a little bit porous. That's the nature that I've found out with Rhyolite. It tends to have a lot of these pockets or voids throughout the stone, and there's nothing you can really do about it. So let's get it on the polisher and see if it'll hold the polish. All right, got the water going. There we go. All right, we are finished with the 3000 grit polish. All right, so let's get it cleaned up and take a look at it under better light. All right, thanks for making it this far in the video. So we are finished, and this Rhyolite is very smooth. I could feels like glass, but it's not very glossy, and that's kind of the nature of Rhyolite. It's kind of a porous stone. It obviously looks a lot like concrete, and it really kind of is concrete in a way, but I was hoping to see more of the little crystals that were within it. I could see the crystals when I was outside with the stone, but after cutting it, grinding it, and polishing it, I'm not seeing those crystals anymore. I'm not sure why. Maybe they just didn't really hold much of a polish, and yeah, it didn't turn out. But if we could zoom in, can we zoom in? Yeah, can't really see them. I do see some of this yellow mineral that is within the matrix, but yeah, not much of the shiny part of the crystals. I have a cutting of the original stone. It's a little wet from being outside, but this is what it looked like. This is a chunk of it, and now here it is all finished. So all right, that'll be it for now. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and share this video with a friend who might be into stone spheres, and we'll see you in the next video.